Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Elliott Wave analysis. Right, so today I want to talk about gold. Right, so there is a major change to gold for what I'm going to share. Right, so if you look at the gold call that I've made previously, right, so let's do a quick finding. Right, so over here I mentioned gold short. Right, this was on the 7th of June. Right, so 7th of June will be somewhere here, right? So that was going for this last movement, I believe, right? So that was where I thought that this was a wave four, right? And then we have completed five wave, right? Going to a second wave, right? So previously this wave four was here, right? So I'm not sure whether you can see it from this yet. This is the wave four, and I thought that this one, two, three, four, five, right? This blue color one, right? So we are going for the wave two. So that's why down move, right? So I believe this I did not really talk about go after this. Okay. So over here there is a major shift because I thought that the the fourth wave and the cycle level have not completed. Right. So this fourth should be here. Now, what this means is that I've done a shift, right? So instead of this being a one, two, three, four, five, right, this becomes uh, kind of like a ABC. Then this is a X, A, B, C. Now, there is a single thing that can support this, which is this overlapping of this fourth wave and the wave one. Now, I will have mentioned in my previous analysis that I noticed this overlapping, but because it's a small overlap, so I did not really care about this. Right. So in terms of movement, right? So what happens then is if this was a one, two, three, four, five, and this is a wave two, and this is a wave one, and then a wave two, right? Which is still valid, right? Because you see that these haven't really breached this wave one. But we look at this, we zoom out and see that wave two is quite a huge one, right? Wave two is from August 2020 to November 2022, right? So there is like 2 years plus. Over here, wave four would be a bit too short, right? So on daily itself, if you look at this, does it make sense to have another leg down for wave four? I think it would. So I would like to change this count, right? Such that instead of the wave four being here, I want the wave four to be here. So the entire goal movement should come down again. Now let's go back to this count here. So um, in terms of how we count the wave, the sub wave, right? It did not really change. Right, I did not go through this because I've been updating, but I've not been publishing Go. Okay, so I believe what happens is that you will have seen. If I've seen the previous analysis, you will see how I have done this minor subwave counts, right? So what I did not cover would be probably from 7 June onwards, right? So this C wave is down is completed, and then we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is a leading diagonal, right? Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And then 4 and 5. So this complete another wave, right? And over here, this jagged move down is really hard to count the wave itself, right? So I just lump everything together as wave A, right? And then wave B and C. Now wave B could be adjusted, right? It could be adjusted to this, to here, right? It will still be a valid count. And what happens then is you will have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? Then this 5, I would say that it should breach this, right? To validate this entire count, this change in this wave 4, right? So yeah, so I do expect gold to breach this level for this movement down. So let me just highlight this. This is the point where the original count that you see for that you see here on the 9th of June, right, to be invalidated, right? That means the fourth wave is no longer is the original count is fourth wave here, right? So if you breach here, right, then this shift from here to here will be correct, right? So this is what I expect. I may just follow this count. So wave C will be down somewhere here, right? Of course, we can do a projection on where wave C will be, and over here I will do a Fibonacci extension, right? So and see whether there's any point that we can find some meaningful place, right? So over here it does look like C could be here. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this, right? Then the other one that we can use is to use wave A, right? And if it's 1:1, where will wave C be, right? So let me just change this color so that it can be clearer. If 1:1, then wave C will be here, right? It should end here. Now is this a better target? Let's move back to this again and see if we move this down, can we get a target that goes in line. Now over here you see that if I make wave 1 is to wave 5, right, it will coincide with where this wave A is equals to wave C. Now so then this becomes our pivot target, right, because there is a convergence of two Fibonacci levels, right? So over here I will just put it here that this is the target for wave C. Okay, and because it's short, let me just do it for this, and I'll move it to the center here, I guess. Okay, so with this, right, then how do we do this short position? Now over here, right, I will just put it where this wave 4 is, where I thought the wave 4 has ended, so I'll put it slightly above, right, and then we'll pull this down. So this will be wave C. Now what happens is that if you see this these previous two waves, right, this WXY and this WXY, they are a combination of two ABCs, right? They are both double combinations, and this would be our first combination. This will be our first ABC, and what could happen is that price may move up again before coming down to this ultimate target, this wave 4 target. Okay, so that is what I will expect this entire gold movement to be, right? So for now, this is the short opportunity that I'm seeing right now, right? The risk reward is not fabulous, right, but it's still respectable. All right, so yeah, so that's it for now, and thank you. Good luck in your trading.